Today's video, best electric scooter for teenager.
Finding the best products can be very difficult, as the market comes with many types. We've, therefore, spent countless hours researching and testing most of the products available to help you. We've ranked these products based on many different factors, such as performance, quality, durability, and value for the money. And if you'd like to see their price and find out more information, check the product links in the description down below. Let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
Best electric scooter for teenager.
Starting off our list, at number 5.
VIRO Rides. Choose your ride with the amazing Vega, the VR 550E, and turnstile drift board with wireless remote control and patented drift plate. The Vega transforms from mini bike to scooter in a flash. Amp up the speed with thumb control, rechargeable batteries, and performance brakes. Stop sitting around, get out there. VIRO Ride, it's your turn. Available.
And these are our ratings for this product. At number 4. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 3 in the list. Are our ratings for this product. At number 2, are our ratings for this product. At number 1. Are our ratings for this product.
Best electric scooter for teenager.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.